As it pleases the court, my lord. Thank you. Now, you were agreeing, said that this was the time when the pandemic was at its peak, not so. And at that time, visitations, police stations, hospitals and everywhere were very restricted, not so.
That is correct, my lord.
Uyavuma ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi ke ukuthi ke khanjwe kuyiwe endaweni ke noma ke kuyovisitwa khona ke ama-police station itholampilo ke ukuthi nje kwakunemithetho ke ukuthi ke kuvivayo lokho yebo kuyavuma.
Maybe before I proceed, on the 23rd of June, when there was this attorney, Mr. Mchiako, made an arrangement with the state with regard to a possible plea bargain and a subsequent confession. Were you part of the discussions?
No, my lord.
Thank
No. So I was part in this sense that I'm the one who went to the police station after I received a call.
Yes.
That there was an attorney.
Yes.
Who wants to consult with accused 2. And I gave that permission, my lord, regardless of the pandemic that was in place, because it's constitutional rights to say if someone wants to consult with his legal representative. I think the Constitution, as Advocate Mnisi has said, is the supreme document of this country, so you need to adhere to that. So I allowed that permission. Now, after I got there and I was introduced to this advocate, and I've indicated the sequence of events, my lord, in my evidence in chief, to say as I walked in, accused 2 said, "This is my attorney," and then we interacted with Mr. Mchiako. After I verified his status, that indeed, where I asked him to identify himself, verify that indeed he was an attorney.
But Brigadier, that's the problem that I have with you. My question was very simple. Were you part of these discussions or not? Yes or no?
But my lord, I'm putting it in context.
Remember, you said the other time that you wanted me to respect you, not so. And I'm trying the best that I can to respect you. But respect is a two-way traffic. If I ask you a simple thing, were you part of the discussions, yes or no? And then you start to give a sermon in circumstances where a sermon has not been requested for you.
My lord,
then you come back and say, I don't respect you. Can you please adhere to the question? Were you part of the discussions or not? No.
There's a good place, my lord. Brigadier Gininda is trying to give an explanation, a comprehensive explanation. It's not
but
just...
my lord, who said wants that explanation? Because this is a simple
Mr.
question.
Mnisi,
yes or no?
Maybe I've gone too old. How can you guys speak at the same time, all of you? Yes. I mean, when I say it's like in a tavern, then I'm told I've never been in a tavern.
Yes.
You can, in a court of law, if your colleague is on the floor, you don't interrupt him. You can raise your hand to show that you want a follow-up, which you will make. Yes. But once he's still speaking and you also speak, yeah, unless you are in the South African Parliament.
Yes. The witnesses asked that Mr. Mchiako made arrangements with the state on the 23rd of June for a possible plea bargain and confession, and he's asked, were you part of the discussions? Now he's trying to explain, my lord, as to what the circumstances were. It's not just a simply, yes and no answer. And we submit, my lord, that this witness is entitled to expand on his answer.